Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello one more time. It's already week 12. It's great. We are here. Yes, it's our summer holiday, isn't it? We are on the beach. We are at the seaside. What should we do? So many things to choose from. Let's try new things. Do you remember we used the word opportunity? It's like the chance to do something new. What new things? Things we can't do at home. Let's see if we can find some things we can't do at home, but we can do when we're on holiday. Football! I love football. But no. We can certainly do that at home. We want new things. Burgers? No. There's another thing we can certainly do at home. So we don't want that either. Let's try something new. We want a new experience, something we haven't done before. Surfing. Well, that's certainly very new. I don't think many of us could do that at home. So what kit do we need? Kit. Hold on, we've got a new word there. Kit. Well, there's a surfboard. Is that kit? Let's find out. What is kit? Kit is what you need to do an activity. So the activity we're looking at here is surfing. Lots of fun. You need a surfboard and a wetsuit. So there we've got two pieces of kit, the things we need to go surfing. Well, I think they're probably quite expensive to buy, but maybe when we're on holiday we can just borrow them. It's all new this week. Yes. Going to the beach might not be new, but that's why we're going to find some new exciting activities to do. So much will be new for all of us this week. Have you ever been surfing? No, neither have I. I think it's going to be fun. We're going to see lots of new kit as well. Right, are you ready to think about new opportunities to do new things? I hope so. Thank you guys. We will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.